So one of the things that attracted us to this product was the software was very customer-friendly, user-friendly, easy to use, looked good, felt good, gave easy information at a glance.
And that information, and we were able to show the customer, and they were able to access that information, and it helped to sort of validate it for them and really enable that information to kind of sink in and so that they could understand that they had a problem.
Where the customers have the potential to get a mobile application, use that application, get notifications through their mobile device, and not have to be tied to a desktop or a laptop computer.
You know, you can be on the phone with them and talk about the results of the audit and see what has actually happened with their water usage, rather than just putting the results of the water audit in a box and not looking at them again. It's a way to be able to interact with the customer.
The other benefit is cellular is everywhere. You can put the product anywhere throughout the city and immediately hook up and get a signal from it. The other huge benefit is cellular is going to be one of the first things to be recovered in a disaster. So here in California, for example, where we have earthquakes, one of the first things that will come back online will be the cellular infrastructure. So having a managed solution is a huge benefit to us, as well as keeps us current. It puts the onus on the company, on the vendor, to keep the product current versus the city having to try to keep the product current.
Not having to install and then maintain the infrastructure is probably the biggest advantage that I see in this product over the traditional fixed network products.
We in the water utility are not used to being in maintaining anything that's outside of a meter pit. When we get into the more traditional forms of technology, we have to be on top of poles and on top of buildings and places that we're not used to being. A cellular endpoint gives us the ability to get all the benefits of the traditional AMI infrastructure without the infrastructure. So going forward, one of the benefits, the obvious benefit, is in meter reading. It's going to save us, this product particularly saves us in labor costs, but also this gives customers a way to get more real-time information about their water use, make behavioral changes that will help control our long-term water costs.
Hopefully this is accurate, but to me, it seems like it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple.